Step 4, assign orders to production partner. With Allpodi, fulfilling orders is smarter and easier than ever. When you open an order, you choose the producer who will fulfill it, and the system instantly displays product type, size, colors, and shipping options. Package weights and shipping costs are calculated automatically based on your customer's location. If you already purchased a label on Etsy, you can upload it and pay only for production. Now comes the fun part, designing your product. With Allpodi, you can upload multiple vector files of your amazing designs, placing them anywhere on the product, giving you complete creative control. Add any notes and pick optional services like gift packaging or product photos. Don't worry, you only need to do these steps once, as Allpodi saves your customizations for that listing to speed up the order assigning process. Make sure your balance is funded, then click Assign Order. Before an order is assigned, Allpodi runs a readiness check to confirm that everything is in order. Once you assign the order, payment is deducted but only released after the producer has completed and shipped it. And there you go. Your job is now in the production partner's queue and being produced. Now it's time to sit back and track orders. See you in the next step. Create, connect, sell. Allpodi.